Welcome to Leatherings, the podcast where we explore the latest trends and fashion must-haves. I'm your host, and today we have a special episode dedicated to the stylish and versatile Memphis Lambskin leather bomber Moto jacket. Let's dive right in and talk about its exquisite detailing. The Memphis jacket is a true testament to the craftsmanship and attention to detail. Its sleek lines combine the timeless appeal of a classic Moto jacket with the functional features of a bomber jacket, creating a unique and fashion-forward piece. One of the standout details of the Memphis jacket is the use of top-grain hand-waxed lambskin. This choice of material not only adds a touch of luxury but also gives the jacket a distinctive sheen that sets it apart from other leather jackets. The jacket features contrast stitching, adding visual interest and highlighting the meticulous construction. It's these small details that elevate the overall aesthetic of the jacket and make it a true fashion statement. Moving on to the collar, the Memphis jacket boasts a high collar with a strap and buckle closure. This design element not only adds a stylish touch but also provides functionality by allowing you to adjust the collar according to your preference and the weather conditions. Now let's talk about the pockets. The Memphis jacket offers two chest pockets with zippers, allowing you to safely store your small essentials like keys or a wallet. Additionally, there are two hand pockets, providing both style and convenience. Whether you're braving the city streets or going for a leisurely stroll, these pockets offer ample storage space. Inside the jacket, you'll find three interior pockets, perfect for keeping your valuables secure and easily accessible. This attention to practicality ensures that the Memphis jacket not only looks great but also serves a functional purpose in your everyday life. To ensure durability and ease of use, the jacket is equipped with metal YKK zippers. Known for their quality and reliability, these zippers add a touch of sophistication while ensuring that the jacket remains functional for years to come. Finally, let's talk about the lining. The Memphis jacket features an upper lining made of polyester and a lower lining made of wool. This combination is designed to provide warmth and comfort, making it a great option for colder weather. The thoughtfully chosen materials ensure that you stay cozy and stylish even when the temperature drops. In terms of fit, the Memphis jacket is designed with a slim fit, accentuating your body's natural shape and adding a modern touch to your ensemble. It's important to consider your own body type and preferences when selecting the size, but overall, the slim fit contributes to the jacket's overall appeal. With its meticulous detailing, luxurious lambskin leather, and functional features, the Memphis Lambskin Leather Bomber Moto jacket is a must-have for any fashion-conscious individual. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town or simply want to add a touch of edge to your everyday style, this jacket is sure to make a statement. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Leatherings. Stay tuned for more exciting fashion discussions and trend analyses. Until next time.